In all my experience in motorcycling, I just started to bolt things on and started to do the process and explore these bikes. I decided that now is the time to actually document all these projects. Last week I picked up this 2025 Ducati Desert X Rally. I'm going to do a full ADV build to potentially take it out on a BDR this summer. Follow along. Today I'm going to be fixing a quad lock mount that I had put on. It's a ram mount. Put it on the day I bought the bike. I'm also going to be putting on double take mirrors and battery tender lead. So here we go. All right, the 2025 Ducati Desert X. I'm just getting into this whole video making thing, so bear with me for a little bit. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to Loctite this ram mount, because when I got this, the dealership was closing. It was a really frantic Saturday at the dealer, and I got in a hurry, admittedly, with this purchase. I got really excited, and since the dealership was closed, there wasn't enough time to get small accessories like a couple of rock straps for the gift box they gave me, and a phone mount to charge my phone and all that. So yeah, so I'm just gonna unscrew these, and since I just kind of threw this on there, I didn't get a chance to properly think it through. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean this off a little bit. So this has been a fantastic bike to ride. Haven't gotten a chance to take it into the dirt, but that is the hope once I get the first break-in service taken care of. So far I can tell this thing is a beast. Super manageable on the road, and I can't wait to see what it's like in the dirt. I have a phobia of adhesives. Tend to go a little too fast for them. So this adhesive doesn't really stick, but whatever, it will get the job done. All right, so that's a lot of Loctite. Just using blue. Yeah, you gotta kind of futz around with them, but nice and nimble. All right, so I'm gonna straighten out the handlebars. I call these dog bones. I first see this all changing when I get bark busters. Okay, We'll do cable management a little bit later. So I've laid out all the items here for the double take mirrors. I've already mocked this up. I already gave it a shot, but I'm just gonna walk you through what I've determined is gonna work for my application. So I have the double take mirrors. I have these screws right here that are reverse thread and the spacers. I also have a 8mm Allen and a 14mm spanner. So we're gonna start by taking the old mirrors off the 14mm spanner. So, at the bike, it's really simple. Just loosen that up, and then go for it. I'll set that right there. I'll get a ball. The lock washer goes at the bottom. Screw. And then just for posterity's sake, because the bikes are a little vibey, a little vibration, I'm just gonna put some Loctite on there. And I'll just get this kind of hand tight. Tight enough. Grab the dog bone, as I like to call it. I like how they have these beer koozies. Double take mirrors. Front. We'll get to adjustment in a moment. Let's get the other one on. Crack that open. Put that to the side. And this is a lefty tighty bolt. So it does look a little high, but I kind of like it. So I'm just going to do adjustments. Check the phone out. And we need to tighten that down too. I like that. All right, next project. Now we're gonna add a battery tender lead. Seat open, loosen that up, pull it up. Now, these seats are a little tricky to get back on. So now, there. Pull this off. Yes.